Welcome back. California is looking to reopen non-essential businesses, including church gatherings, but of course with restrictions and with new normal measures in place. Joining us live from Silicon Valley is Don Orozco. Hello, Don. Good evening from Manila.
And it's early morning here in Silicon Valley, California. And you're right, Alma, as we actually practice phase 2 here in California, the governor announced the other day that he is going to allow now even non-essential businesses to open, which means allowing stores, restaurants, in-house customers. Before, they are not allowing any sit-down customers. Now, they are actually allowing customers to come in instead of just making curbside pickup. There is also a downside on the phase 2 because there are still some businesses that are not allowed to entertain customers in person. And these are salons, dental clinics, and hairstylists. That is why right now there are still protests that is being mounted in Sacramento, where the office of the governor sits.
Meantime, dine-in restaurants are allowed?
Yes. Restaurants are now allowed to have in-person customers, which means sitting down.
Okay.
What is funny now is that, Alma, there are restaurants that have different gimmicks, like the balloon and then the sticky. Unfortunately, it wasn't able to make it to my report. But
yes.
There's different
but
kinds of gimmicks,
describe
including
it,
the
please.
use of money.
Describe
including the use of mannequins.
Oh.
And then another news that is very impactful to a lot of Californians is that he also said that we are going to open churches and synagogues now. There are just only restrictions. Number one is that a chapel that has about 700 to 800 seating capacity will just have, however big your chapel is, there is only a minimum of 100 people. And then the other thing is it can only be just 25% of the capacity of the chapel. Number two, this is something that is being practiced in the Philippines, checking of temperatures and symptom scanning. Number three, there should be thorough cleaning before and after worship services. No sharing of items, and it can also be done with remote services. But again, everything at the end of the day will depend on each county official. So, because again, there are those that have high incidence of cases. Like here in the Bay Area, we have about 12,540 cases. That includes 6 counties around the Bay Area, which is part of Northern California. And our county, Santa Clara County, where Silicon Valley sits, has the most number of cases. It's 2,652. And we have the most number of deaths as well, 139. And on the other counties, it's not that far away because, again, San Francisco has about 2,300. San Mateo is 1,833. So those are the numbers in terms of cases here around the Bay Area. And finally, I know I was just there very recently before the lockdown, and it was already scorching hot. And it is something that I would like to share with all of you, that it is equally hot here in the Bay Area. There is a record number of temperature. It is 100 to 105 Fahrenheit, or 35 to 40 degrees centigrade. That's how hot it is here in the Bay Area. And of course, the difference is that in the Philippines, it's kind of sticky, but here in the Bay Area, it remains to be dry. And that's the latest here in Silicon Valley. Reporting live, this is Don Orozco. Again, I would like to remind everyone, stay safe, stay home, and follow the guidelines, because we live in interesting times.
Thank you very much, Don.